In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Ssemble support. If you ever run into a question, a glitch, or just need a quick hand while working in Ssemble, the fastest way to get help is through their built-in chat. I'll walk you through how to get there and how to use it effectively so you can get clear, actionable answers as quickly as possible. First, make sure you're logged into Ssemble. Open Ssemble in your browser or the app you normally use and sign into your account. A stable internet connection helps the chat load smoothly, so take a second to confirm you're online. Once you're signed in, you should land on your dashboard or project space. That's perfect because contacting support from within your account helps the team understand your context, like which project or feature you're working on. Next, look for the chat icon at the bottom right of the screen. It typically looks like a small speech bubble. On desktop, you'll see it tucked neatly into the lower right corner. On mobile, it may appear as a floating button that stays visible as you navigate. If you have a lot of panels open, you might need to scroll or resize the window slightly so the icon isn't hidden behind other elements. When you see it, click or tap to open the support chat panel. Now use the chat feature to reach support. A small window will slide open with a welcome message. You may see quick options to describe your issue, a search bar for help articles, or a prompt to start typing. Write a brief, clear description of what you need. Include the feature you're using, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If there's an error message, copy the exact wording. When possible, mention the device and browser you're on, and whether the issue happens consistently or just once. Screenshots or short clips can be incredibly helpful. If the chat lets you attach files, include them. Avoid sharing any sensitive information. There's no need to provide passwords or private keys to get help. You might receive an automated reply first, suggesting relevant resources or asking follow-up questions. If those resolve it, great. If not, continue the conversation to be connected with a support specialist. Response times can vary depending on volume and your plan, so keep the chat window open and enable notifications if available so you don't miss a reply. That's it. Log in, click the chat icon at the bottom right, and use the chat to reach support. With a clear description and any relevant details, you'll get the answers you need faster and get right back to your work.